This recipe I'm about to share with you on today's video will help your hair grow 10 times faster and solve a lot of your hair problem. I will show you how to make it and also how to use it to get all the good benefits. To prepare this recipe, my first ingredient is star anise. Star anise stimulating hair growth, repair damaged hair, address scalp issues like dandruff, lice, itchiness, hair loss, and dry scalp. So if you are passing through of any of these, if your scalp is always dry or itching you, or you want to repair your damaged hair, using star anise will help you to achieve that goal. Don't let down on star anise. If you have not started using star anise on your hair and you want to solve any of these problems, try to use star anise. It will help you to solve those problems. But for you to see best results is to be consistent with it, okay? So I'm giving you a close look to see this how star anise it look like. My second ingredient is neem powder. If you have the neem leaf, you can as well make use of it, or the dry neem leaf, you can as well make use of it. The property on neem can kill the fungus that cause dandruff. Neem can cleanse and strengthen hair follicles, which can lead to stronger, healthier hair. Is an antioxidant that can prevent premature graying. Neem can help stop itching scalp and dandruff. Neem can kill lice and their eggs. Neem contains vitamins, minerals, and fatty acid. It also improves hair texture and reduce breakage and split ends. Neem can also moisturize the scalp and treat scalp infections. Do you see that combining neems and star anise, they are so amazing. You have a lot of benefit in using these two recipes on your hair, and you get the best results you are looking for. Only thing you need to do to get best result while using these two recipes is to be consistent and know proper way to use them to get all the good results, okay? So let's put these two ingredients together. So first thing, I bring my star anise. I use 2 tablespoons of my star anise. So I also be making use of 2 tablespoons of my neem powder also. So if you have the fresh leaf or the dry leaf, you can as well boil them. But if you are using the powder one, just do infusion method. You can also boil it if you choose. If you want the tea to be faster, just boil it, okay, in a very low heat. Boil it like 10 to 7 minutes. Off it and allow it to cool down. It's ready to be used. But if you are doing infusion method, after pouring the hot water in your jar, make sure that you mix it very well, because the powder of the neem will just float up without mixing with the water, okay? After mixing it, I will cover it up and keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. If you don't have much time to infuse it for 12 hours, you can also infuse it for 8 hours. Okay, so 12 hours or 8 hours, any of this time, you are good to go. I'll keep it in a cool, dark place to infuse for 12 hours. Sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. After 12 hours, this recipe is ready to be used. Do not joke with this recipe. This recipe will grow your hair like crazy. As you can see, their benefits, they are so effective. These two combination of ingredients, they are so effective to solve your hair problems. So for you to get the best results is to be consistent with it, and also to watch this video to the end to see how I will direct you on how to use it for that best result. Okay, I bring my bowl and my sheet cloth to collect my recipe. You need to use something that have very tiny hole, like sheet cloth, wig caps, stockings or hanky, to strain this recipe so that the powder of the neem will not stuck on your hair, and that will lead to product buildup, or it can also block your tea spray. So to avoid that, use something that have very tiny hole so that you can get clean recipe, okay, for best results. So I'll bring my spray bottle to transfer this into my spray bottle, and this recipe is ready to be used. I'm so sorry I will not demonstrate to you on how to apply this on your hair, but I have a lot of recipes on how to apply tea spray or hair tonic on your hair. So how to use this recipe to get that good benefit, for this recipe to solve those problems it promised to solve in our hair, is use it as your leave-in condition. Spray it on your hair, and whenever you spray it on your hair, make sure you moisturize your hair and give yourself a gentle scalp massage 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, second way is to use it as your final thin rinse. Okay, after washing your hair, pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, cover up your hair, and after some minutes or some hour, remove it and rinse it out. But you can as well not to rinse it out, because the star anise make the tea spray to smell so amazing. So you don't have anything to worry about the smell of this recipe. Okay, so whenever you use this recipe, please make sure that you massage your scalp. It's very important to get the good benefit of this recipe. Okay, and also cover up your hair, whether you are using it as a leave-in treatment or final thin rinse. Cover your hair to make the tea spray more effective. How many times can you apply the tea spray on your hair in a week? Use it 3 to 4 times in a week for that best result. Storage: this tea spray can last only but 5 to 7 days in your refrigerator. After then, anyone that I have left over, please discard it and make a fresh batch. Please, I don't want this video to be too long. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, feel free to let me know in comment section below. So try to be consistent with this tea spray. Believe me, it will help you a lot to solve those your hair problems and grow your hair 10 times faster. That is no joke. But for you to see the best results, use it as a leave-in tea spray. Okay, don't wash it out, allow it to sit on your hair. In that way you will get more faster results. Okay, so guys, I've come to end of today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Let me know your opinion in comment section below, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, join the beautiful family. You will not regret it. Okay, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that you got notification whenever I upload a new video. And also like the video. Okay, it helps a lot, and share this video to your family and friends. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.